Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I received this little package, and as I think there should be a CPU in it, and I will upgrade my laptop with this CPU, and then we will see how this will work. And yeah, as you can see, there's the CPU. If you ever wondered how a laptop CPU looks like, here you go. 2008. Nice. It should be a quad core, and the current one in my laptop is a triple core. The CPU I think has 10 watts higher TDP. I'm not quite certain how the performance will be, but I will do a benchmark before and after, and then we will see how the CPU will perform. The first thing you want to do is find out how this thing performs. That's why I put also here for best performance, and also plug the charger in to make sure the CPU is not power throttling because it's on batteries. And now we start the CPU test. See how much points we get. At this particular point, I'm very glad that I didn't use Cinebench R15 or 20, because as you can see, the CPU got 141 points. It took really an eternity to run this bench. I mean, I don't expect much afterwards, but yeah. Let's swap another CPU in it. And yeah, here we go. I deassembled it. I think I needed around 15 minutes, I guess. And yes, we can see here there's liquid metal on it, and also a bit nail paint also for the GPU. Now I will uninstall this CPU, put another in, swap also some paint on it, and then I will build it together, and I hope it will boot and recognize the CPU. As you can see, the new CPU is installed. Pretty nice. Also liquid metal on it. And then yeah, we will see if this thing will fire up or if everything was not worth it. Okay guys, first boot up. I wonder what will happen now if I press the stop button. Oh yes, seems like the CPU is known or recognized. Let's see if it can boot up and what we will see in the task manager. Pretty confident that there are only 3 cores, because yes, I thought this because it has to install the CPU, I guess, but it's already said quad core, which is kinda good. Let's type in msconfig. Let's see how much cores I used to start. And there we go. We have 3 cores. Just uncheck this. And uncheck this. And if we hit restart, should maybe see all 4 cores. Yeah, booted into Windows, and as you can see, it's now a quad core. It worked. And now we will do the Cinebench run, and then we will see how much this CPU improved the score or the performance. Whoa, that's a crazy outcome. Over 30% power increase. That's cool and crazy and nice and everything. I mean, if we pick up the calculator and we have now 201 and divided by 141, we increase the performance by over 42%, which is kinda lol because we only added a 5th core, which means we have now 33% more cores. But yeah, this is also cool. I mean, that's possible because we have a higher power limit, and yeah, this is cool, this is nice, I can live with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know that wasn't that much content, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I would appreciate if you leave a comment or like, and if you want to subscribe. And I would say see you in the next video.